When replacing your home's old, outdated, or leaky windows, Northville Lumber's Novi Home Design Center recommends a full-frame window replacement over a pocket window insert. Full-frame window replacements offer superior energy efficiency by ensuring a perfect fit with no gaps or leaks. Most windows contain a frame similar to your existing window frame. The frame consists of a head jamb, a sill, and side jambs. The old window is removed down to the rough opening and replaced with a new window. However, before the new window is installed, our installation crews will inspect the rough opening for hidden damage or moisture and fix it without delay. Pocket windows, on the other hand, fit inside your old frame. Therefore, the rough opening is not exposed. You can't see it. The sash is removed, the old frame stays, and the new pocket window fits inside. If the rough opening has water or insect damage, problems will occur sooner than later. Also, since the pocket window sits inside the original window frame, you can lose up to 3 to 4 inches of glass viewing area. Full frame window replacement protects your home, improves efficiency, and allows you to completely transform the look of your windows, enhancing your home's curb appeal. Visit our Novi showroom to explore a wide selection of high-quality windows from trusted brands like Andersen and Marvin. Our experienced window specialists are here to answer your questions and help you choose the right window for your home.